Hey folks, Aaron here. I've got a tenor ready for you today. It's number 752. And all of this is from North American West Coast wood. So the back and sides are some beautiful Mastergrade Myrtle. Beautiful book match, crazy colors, beautiful curl. Really a special tree. And the top is some of my beautiful Orford Cedar that has the blue stains in it. I think that comes from minerals in the soil, kind of streaking and staining. Love the stripes. I chose Myrtle binding for this one, which I really like. And then the neck is more of that streaky, stripy Orford Cedar. And pistachio for fretboard, head plate, and bridge. But I chose some of the green-brown stuff to match the color palette here. Yeah, and and the customer wanted larger side dots, which is fine. It's got a pickup. And the Orford Cedar is just a great top wood. It's been one of our favorites for many years. And we often call Myrtle our Oregon koa wood. This koa is the traditional Hawaiian wood, but we don't have koa here. We've got this. Yeah, it's just like really lightweight, really vibrant, really happening. It's a great combination. And it feels good to use a bunch of woods from around here. So that's number 752. Cheers.